Now that you guys have taken some time to learn about arrays and how they work with multiplication, you guys are going to be working by yourself to complete some number puzzles. These puzzles all only have one clue to solve. So we will do the first one together, and then you will practice numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. For these, you'll be making unmarked arrays to solve the problem, okay? So let's take a look at number 1. It says for each number puzzle, follow these steps. So every time you do a number puzzle, you're going to come back and follow these steps. Find 2 numbers that fit each clue. Draw unmarked arrays and label the dimensions to show that your numbers fit the clue. List other numbers that could also fit the clue. So we are going to build these arrays based on just this one clue that is given to us. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so it's a little easier to draw. So number 1 says this number of tiles will make an array that is 2 tiles wide. So wide, if you don't know, is side to side, left to right, whereas tall is up and down, okay? So it says this number of tiles will make an array that is 2 tiles wide. What number could we use that would make an array that is 2 tiles wide? Well, if I'm thinking about my picture, if I were to draw a very quick picture, which I don't typically want you guys to do, I'm making my array and it's 2 tiles wide. So I've got 1 and 2 right here, okay? So could this work for this array? Sure. So the number then of tiles, would be 2. And then my array, because I'm drawing an unmarked array for this, is a rectangle that is 1 tile by 2 tiles, right? So that would definitely work. Now, what other arrays could I make that are also 2 tiles wide? Well, if I think about it, because I'm going to add on to the one that I've currently got, is my array still 2 tiles wide? Yeah, but now it's also 2 tiles tall. So my number of tiles on this one could be 4, but my array, because I'm making an unmarked array, would be I could just draw this nice square, would be a 2 by 2. So what other numbers could also fit this clue on top of these that I have here? I could also use, if I still kept a 2 and added another tall, it would be 6, right? Or if I added 4 tall, it could even be 8. I could keep going indefinitely as long as my array is always 2 tiles wide. You guys are going to take some time now, and there will be drawing sections on the Nearpod for you to complete 2, 3, as well as 4, 5, and 6. They do get harder and harder as you go. Not that they become hard, just more challenging, okay? All I'm asking is that you try your best to answer all the questions. For example, this one says this number of tiles will make a square array. So you have to know the definition of what a square is before you can create those arrays. Then they get a little more challenging as you go. Please try your best as you work through them. Remember, this assignment is for a grade, and I'm very proud of you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Great work.